Good morning, sir. Here we are to present our business plan. Name of our business plan is Busha. Means of this is Bongisius. The owner of this restaurant is John Ray, and the rest of the members of this group is Jason and Madhos. And this business, the key to success of this business is great service and quality affordable food to offer for our valued customer in budgeting elements. The missions of this business is the popularity of the Four Peps restaurant is continues to grow in affordable and cheap prices. Owner of this business is Busha Four Peps Restaurants. Is a food service owner by John Ray Cabigon. Startup summary. Four Peps Restaurant cost will be covered the modifications and the food equipments. For 20 tables, the budget is 30,000 pesos. And for 60 chairs, budget for 16,000 pesos. For 4 plates, 15,000 pesos for 200 pieces. For 100 pieces of glasses, the budget is 12,000. Table mantels, 20 pieces, the budget is 4,500. And the fork and spoons, for 600 pieces, the budget is 4,000 pesos. And the personal salary, and four waiters, 2,500 per month per head. And 2 washers, 2,500 per month per head. And the 2 cookers, 4,000 per month per head. And the other pictures and the remodeling, soft drinks and foods, budget is 20,000. Telephones per month, budget is 100,000. Decorations and expenses, budget is 5,000. Rental per month, budget is 10,000. Four Peps Restaurant can serve quality foods and service to any valued customer. And the affordable meals, we accept also catering in any occasions like wedding, birthdays, and anniversaries. The personal plan. This restaurant consists 8 part-time employees working at 15 hours a day. Restaurant and bar detail sections. The restaurant and bar business plan explains the restaurant's financial plan and details the cash flow required to start and run the restaurant. The business plan provides an analysis of a typical restaurant startup and details how owners need 200,000 startup funds to launch to the restaurant and bar. Restaurant industry marketing analysis. Menu prices formulas. Customer populations and demographics to forecast sales. Sales forecasting 12 months and 3 years. Personnel plan 12 months and 3 years. Break-even analysis. Profit and loss forecast 12 months and 3 years. Break-even analysis, profit, loss forecast 12 months and 3 years. Balance sheet forecast 12 months and 3 years. An exit strategy. A complete details and fully explained financial plan is included in the business plan. To succeed over the long term and generate revenue appropriate for turning a net profit and serving a conventional loan obligation. The owners have established the following goals, each of which is demonstrated in the business plan. One of these is maintain a gross margin of 65%. Others is maintain a net profit from sales of 5% annually. Maintain a cost of goods of less than 36% for food and 25% beverage. Maintain a cost of labor and less than 25% revenue. Maintain a sales of marketing budget of 1.9%. And the restaurant and bar business plan is a indispensable guide to launching and running a successful restaurant and bar business. And that's it.